students. Welcome back to Geography online session for 8th standard. Today topic Geography lesson 2 Weather and Climate. Climate is one of the basic elements in the natural environment. It affects landforms, soil types, fauna and flora. Fauna means animals, flora means vegetations. Okay. One small example. In Tamil Nadu, in the month of May, Yukta enjoys her vacation with her family. Here, May month, summer season. You know that. So, Yukta wears cotton clothes. Her mother makes foods which suits to summer. Okay. Example, porridge, buttermilk, lemonade, watermelon, etc. Right? Okay. Here, at the same time, in New Zealand, in the month of May, Dia enjoys her vacation with her family. Yukta's friend Dia, right? They May month, but winter season. So Dia wears fleece jacket, jeans, gloves and socks. Her mother makes hot foods which suits to winter. Example, sandwich, salmon, oatmeal, soups, etc. Okay, Yukta celebrates Christmas with friends in winter. But whereas Dia celebrates Christmas during summer. Okay? Can you think of why? Because, listen, Yukta and Dia are living same planet, the Earth. But they stay in two different hemispheres. Yukta living in a southern hemisphere, Dia living in a northern hemisphere. Okay, the various hemispheres, but same Earth. Okay, right. This is the reason of this. Weather. Next topic, weather. What is weather? Weather and the climate influence man's activities like what we eat, wear, the house in which will we and work, farming, sailing, fishing, modern transport and even our playtime, etc. Everyone changes about the season, our season. Hence, one should have knowledge about the weather and climate. Okay. What is weather? Weather is the day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere at any place as records sunshine, temperature, cloud cover, wind fog conditions, air pressure, humidity, precipitations and such other elements. Here, precipitation, rainfall, right? It refers to short periods like a day, a week, a month or a little longer and such as a weather changes from time to time in a day and one period to another in a year. Okay, in the morning the weather might be sunny with a clear sky in a place and in the evening there might be clouds and rain. Similarly, the weather is cool in winter and hot in summer. We know everyone. Okay, weather is a very short period conditions. Okay, time to time, day to day changes the season. Right? This is called the weather. This is short period measurement. Next, see sunshine, temperature, cloud cover, wind, fog condition, air pressure, humidity and precipitation. See, during the day the weather might be sunny with a clear sky. In the evening there might be rain. Weather is cool in winter. Hot in summer. Right? Weather changes from day to day and time to time in a day. Okay. Earth's atmosphere is a layer of gases surrounding the planet Earth retained by the Earth's gravity. Okay. It consists about 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.97% argon, 0.03% carbon dioxide, and 0.04% trace amounts of the other gases and water vapor. Simply saying, nitrogen 78%, oxygen 21%, balance 1% other content, the air. Okay, the atmosphere. Next, weather. See, they often hear people saying today the climate is good or bad. Generally, we are saying like that. It is incorrect to say like that. Instead, it has to be said that the weather is good or bad, right? But we could observe the television news readers saying weather report, not to the climate report. For example, see the pictures. The cricket match have been postponed due to the bad weather. Okay. Next topic, climate. Climate generally defined as the average conditions of the weather of a place of a region. The average atmospheric conditions is determined by measuring the weather elements for a long period of time, which is usually 35 years, right? It is long period consideration. The elements of weather and the climates are the same. The climate does not change often like weather. Very important, listen there. The climate does not change often like weather, right? The word climate is derived from the ancient Greek word klima, which means inclination. Once again, the word climate is derived from the ancient Greek word klima, which means inclinations. Listen, scientific study of weather is called meteorology. The scientific study of climate is climatology. Okay, once again I say that scientific study of weather is called meteorology. The scientific study of climate is climatology. Okay. Next, we see the topic, controlling factors of the weather and climate. Controlling factors. Listen, angle of the sun rays, the length of daytime, altitude, distributions of land and water bodies, location and directions of the mountain range, air pressure, winds and ocean currents. They are controlling factors. Here altitude means height. Okay, height. These are important for the controlling factors of the weather and climate. Right? Here already know that equator. Central latitude line of the earth is called the equator. Already we studied that. Top and bottom of the earth is called the north pole and south pole. Okay. We are all know the earth is spherical in shape. So sun rays falls unevenly on the earth's surface, right? So the polar regions or the north and south pole receive slanting sun rays of the sun. Okay, the north pole and the south pole get slanting sun rays. Hence, there is a little or no sunlight. So, there is an extremely cold winters, right? Vertical sun rays fall directly on regions around the equator, both of the equator regions. Okay, hence the climate is very hot and almost no winter. Okay, next topic, elements of weather and climate. Temperature, rainfall, pressure, humidity, wind. Okay, elements of weather and climate. Today, we are going to see only about temperature. Temperature. Temperature is one of the key elements of the weather and climate, right? The earth and its atmosphere get heated from the sun through insolations, right? Insolation means radiations of the sun. The degree of heat present in the air is termed as temperature. Very simple, that area of heat present in the air is called the temperature. Temperature varies with time due to changes the level of radiation which reach the earth's surface. This is due to the rotation, revolution and inclinations of the earth axis. Okay, time to time change because the revolution and rotations of the earth. Okay, next one, here see the picture, evaporations. The temperature influences the level of humidity. Second one, the process of evaporation, condensation, precipitations. Okay, evaporation. Evaporation, the water will get evaporated because of the sun rays. It is called the evaporation. Transpiration means the evaporated processing in the vegetations is called the transpirations. Okay, condensation. Condensation is changes to liquid form, right? Third one, last one, heat energy from solar radiation is received by the earth through three mechanisms. Okay, first one radiation, second one conduction, third one convection. The radiation, the sun heats the ground from the solar radiations, the radiation. Second one conduction, the ground heats the air from the reach the heat. So the warmed or heated air rise up in the atmosphere, into atmosphere, right? So the three processes, radiation, conduction and convection. Okay, last one here, lapse rate. The lapse rate means simply as the heat increasing, temperature will falls down. Okay, temperature decreases with the increasing height is known as lapse rate. Okay, so the temperature 6.5 degrees Celsius decreases per 1000 meter in the troposphere. Okay, each 6.5 degrees Celsius decreases per 1000 meter in troposphere. Now I will ask some questions from this session. What is weather? Weather is the day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere. It will change often. Okay, what is weather? Weather is the day-to-day conditions of the atmosphere. It will change often, right? Next one, what is climate? What is climate? Climate is the average weather conditions of a place for a long period and is usually for 35 years. What is climate? Climate is the average weather conditions of a place for a long period and is usually for 35 years. It is a long period conditions. Okay, it is a climate, right? Third one, scientific study of weather is called dash. Answer is meteorology. Scientific study of weather is called dash. Answer is meteorology. Okay. Next, fourth one, scientific study of climate is dash. Answer is climatology. Okay. Scientific study of climate is dash. Answer is climatology. Okay. Next one, fifth one, what is insolation? Incoming solar radiation called the insolation. Simply saying, what is insolation? Incoming solar radiation called the insolations. Okay. Okay, my dear students, save this video and note it. We will meet next session. Okay. Thank you, my dear students. Be safe. Take care.